Bubbler, Easter update. The Bubbler Easter update is here. Let's actually check it out. Participate in a special egg hunt. Collect 10 unique eggs hidden throughout the overworld. 2 limited time eggs. So we have these 2 limited time eggs that you can obtain with 20 new pets, new enchantments, and a lot of jam cap increased to 100 million. All right. I forgot what I was doing. I actually forgot what I was doing. Wait, event. Yo, event. I also have all the New Yorkie codes. Egg hunt. Find egg hunts. And yo, we can actually unlock the super secret pet by collecting all the eggs. And I see new eggs. Wait. Can I just unbox them? Can I just unbox them? How much are they? 2.5 million? 1 million? I have to get some more money. I have to get my money up. I have to actually get my money up because what am I doing over here? How do I go back? Let me go back. Let me actually show you the codes, guys. If you want a double luck game pass, make sure to comment down below bubbler Easter event. So if you do want a double lucky game pass, make sure to comment down below bubbler. And I didn't even verify my Discord account. I forgot to do that. Is there like a way up? Oh, it's like an island. I can just fly up, right? I can literally just fly up. Okay, that's an egg. That's in chest. Oh no, I want to open the chest. Do I even have keys? I forgot if I have keys or not. Mystery box? For what? What did I do? Mystery box? Okay. Okay, these are my pets. Enhancer. Oh, you can enhance them even. Let me actually open up some mystery boxes as well, because what I'm doing is actually open them up, all 4 of them. I'll be showing you all the New York codes in bubbly gums. Let's see. Announcements. No way. Yo. Let's open these chests. Okay, we got a little bit of cash. The first code will be Easter 25. Easter 25 code. So this is the first code. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. And this is probably upcoming code, so it's not out yet, but they will drop it when Easter drops. When Easter drops, this code will be out. And this is the codes for Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. The next code is going to be release. Oh wait, I didn't even redeem that one. We got a free pack. The next code, let's see, will be simply THA tax. We got tax code. Thanks code. Boom. Wait, this one is invalid. Is it case sensitive? If it's case sensitive, it's so annoying. Case sensitivity is so annoying. Okay, thanks. Okay, lucky. Okay, lucky works. Island race. Race V4. Yo. Bubbly. Yo, bubbly. 3, 2, 1. I'm racing and I'm winning. Who's gonna win? Me. You know why? Because I'm the best. Oh wait, I missed the jump pad. I missed the jump pad. Yo, he's catching up. I have to go on these trampolines. I actually have to go on these trampolines. I keep missing the trampolines. Maybe it's not even good to have this much jump power. At least I'm getting a participation trophy, okay? At least I'm getting a participation trophy. I wish I could see at the bottom of my screen where the enemy was, so I can like have some competition, but right now I have no clue what's going on. Jump, jump, jump! Okay, jump up, jump up, jump up. Up we go. Alright,